In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable the full height post editor in WordPress. In WordPress 4.0, a new writing experience was introduced to the post editor. As you write, the height of the post editor would automatically adjust, thus eliminating the need of the scroll bar. While that's great, it now means you have to scroll through all the paragraphs just to reach your custom fields and other meta boxes, such as SEO, calendar, etc. So, if you want to add the scroll bar feature back, just follow these steps. To enable the scroll option, just go to Screen Options. Then, in the Additional Settings, disable the full height editor. And as you can see, now you can scroll through the post with this scroll bar. This is how you can disable the full height post editor in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.